Students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Okay. So now let's start the discussion. I hope in the previous class we already started with what we completed. If, else, if, elif. So we practiced. I hope you practiced. Practiced, huh? So you practiced it. So conditional statements as a part of conditional statements. So we also did simple if else statement, if else statement, and you understood the which one is the most important one among all the three? Which one is the most important? If, elif, and else. And you know how they are going to execute. Now I'm going to enter into the another part. That is the last part in the conditional part. Come on, what is that? Match case statement. So match case statement we are going to discuss. Okay. Carefully try to follow. Match case statement. Match case statement is one of the new facility added in Python 3.10 version onwards. Python 3.10 version onwards. That means to work with this Python match case, you have to have minimum version is what? 3.10. Of course, everybody is having 3.12. That 3.12 already you are aware of it. So 3.12 it will work this match case statement. So what is this match case now? As on today, students, match and case are not the keywords. Match and case are not the keywords. Try to sit this side. Why are you sitting that corner? Sit this side. With a concentration. See this, sit this side. Why are you sitting all of them that corner? Huh? Fear to sit. Huh? You also sit here. Sit along with them or sit something. So now you come to the point. So this match case statement, if you go to once a Python environment, you try to see this carefully. It's an important discussion. Go to this place and run as an administrator here and just observe it. Import keyword as kw dot kw list. If we look at that, in this case, what is not there? Match is not there. Case is not there. Match is not there. Case is not there. Are you following? But why this match case is not there? And you know, if I write match is equal to 12, it is working. And if I print match here, it is working. But if I write none is equal to 34, it is an error. So match is not a keyword. But in our Python programming, we will feel match is a keyword. Let me go to the Python website once. www.python.org. Why it is still not treated as a keyword? Because very recently, and still it is under the documentation phase. If we go to this place, and if I observe this, Python 3.10, very soon, very recently, this is made as what you know. Very recently, this is made as what you know, secured. In a couple of days, in 3.10, this match case was introduced. Match case was introduced, and this match case, if you look at, these are supposed to be, both of them are supposed to be what? Keywords, they are supposed to make it. They are supposed to make it as what? Keywords. Very recently, they made as what? Secured. So, at present, match and case are simply to be treated as a concept only. So, why we use this match case statement? And you will understand that word after a few minutes. Why we will use this match case statement? So, the purpose of the match case statement is simply given for The purpose of match case statement is that to deal with to deal with menu driven applications, menu driven applications, menu driven applications. I just want to write down or deal with pre-designed conditions, pre-designed conditions, pre-designed conditions, pre-designed conditions, or menu-driven applications, menu-driven applications. So have you heard about menu-driven applications anytime? Come on, fast. Have you heard about it or not? Yes or no? Have you heard about menu anytime? Hmm. Where? Huh? Hotel. Hotel. No. Everybody will be, that answer only will come. Hotel. What they will give when you go to that menu? In that menu, what will be there? Some items will be there. Will you order anything else new? No. You will order only the things which are available, correct? That are called what? Pre-designed. Already they designed and kept in that. You will order that only. If I go to my official website, If I go to my official website, Python is one option, PSF is one option, Docs is one option, PyPy is one option, Jobs is one option, Community is one option, About is called one option, Downloads is one option, Documentation is one option, Community is one option, Success Story is one option, News and Events is another action. These are all called in our Python programming. These are all called what? In HTML point of view, it is called one menu. So if I come to this Python point of view, they are just called as what? Pre-designed conditions, also called as what? Menu-driven applications. Let me take, let me take, later I will come to the syntax directly. What is the meaning of earlier ones? If I take it, simple if statement and if else and these things depends on the problem statement, depends on the problem statement. We prepare the conditions. We prepare conditions. We prepare conditions. This is known as what? Runtime condition preparation. But these are called what? Fixed conditions. Fixed conditions, these are. Fixed conditions, these are called. So these fixed conditions, if you want to evaluate, the better choice, they said, go for what? Match case. Let me take the syntax. Before the syntax, let me talk about example area so that you will get quickly the example. Let us take some example on menu-driven applications or pre-designed conditions. For example, arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations, important class today. Arithmetic operations. I'm going to take it. Here I'm writing arithmetic operations calculator. I'm going to write it. Arithmetic operations calculator. What I'm doing there? I'm saying number one, addition. Number one, addition. Number two, what? Subtraction. Number three, what? Multiplication. Multiplication. Next, third is called what? Division. Under division, I will go for floor division and normal division. Two things I will take it. Number four is called what? Modulo division. Modulo division, very, very important. And fifth is called what? Exponentiation. Exponentiation. And the sixth is called what? Exit. Exit. This is called what? Pre-designed conditions. These are the pre-designed conditions. Tell me now, enter your choice. Enter your choice. What this is known as? What this is called? Menu. It is called menu. From this, enter your choice. If I say one, addition logic should come. It should ask, enter two numbers for addition of two numbers. Enter two numbers for subtraction. Enter two numbers for multiplication. Enter two numbers for division, modulo division, exponentiation, and exit. Are you able to follow? Like that, you will be getting it. Enter your choice. And two, if I say, if I say five, exponentiation, enter the base, enter the power. If I say six, if I say six, it should come out of the program. Are you able to follow? So how to do this? So as a choice, I'm entering either one or two or three or five or what? Six. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are called case labels we can call. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are called what? Case labels. Spell out. Case labels. Case labels we can call. The case labels generally can be int type, can be what type? Char type, can be what? Str type, but not to be float type. You can take even bool type also, no problem. You can take even bool type also, you can take. But bool type, if I take, how many will come? Only two, true or false. But because of true or false, you cannot write menus. Many cases will not come. Only I can take two cases. And all the case labels must be unique, students. All the case labels must be unique. So when you are going to prepare the menu driven, menu options will be there. Each menu must be qualified by some type of case labels. The case label nature can be either int type, char type, str type, and bool type, but not which type? Float type. Why not float type? Why not float type? Don't know. Float type does not have the certainty. Certainty will not be there for which type? Float type. Float type certainty will not be there. Are you able to follow? So let us move to the further. Now I'm going to take up further. I'm going to discuss. I'm going to discuss here another kind of example. I'm going to take up another example. Rajun Ramanju. Uchitra Ramanju. So here I'm going to take up another example. I'm going to discuss. Look at that. You see, students. Area of different figures. I'm going to say take it. Oh, Lakshman Chaudhary. Sir, there is a number 3 twice. Okay, my dear student. 4. It is 5. It is 6. It is 6. It is number 7. Okay, by mistake, if I give it, you have to give what? Unique. You have to give unique. Not supposed to be duplicate. If I give duplicate, only if I give 3, 3, it is supposed to be taken. If I enter 3, only the first 3 will come. Next 3 will not be coming. It should be having unique. Area of different figures. Area of different figures. Now I'm going to take up. Area of different figures, I'm going to talk about it. So how we can take care of that? Now I'm going to enter into this. How you can take care of the students? Now see. Number 1, I'm going to take it. Rectangle. Rectangle. Number 2, I'm going to take it, circle. Number 3, I'm going to take it, square. Number 3, 4, I am going to take it triangle. Number 5, I am going to take it as what? Exit. This is about what? Another menu driven. Here I am giving case labels as what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But today I am giving it as what? R. R. Next I am giving it as what? C. Next I am giving it as what? S. Next I am giving it as what? T. Next I am giving it as E. And all these case labels must be unique. No two labels must be similar. No. Now, if you carefully understand, for rectangle is concerned, see students, now I am writing, these are all called, before writing the coding, I must tell about the concept carefully. Enter your choice. If my choice is called what? Capital R, what should I print? Rectangle. End user is entering capital letter. So there is a chance of entering end user can be entered small also, no? So for rectangle is concerned, they may enter either capital R or what? Small r. Any capital R or small r is entered, I should execute which one? Rectangle I should enter. That means for this operation, how many labels are there? Two labels are there. Capital R and then small r. For circle C is concerned, I can enter capital C as well as small c. That is also going to be known as what? For one operation, how many case labels are there? Two. So for T is concerned, I can enter capital T as well as what? Small t. There also I'm having how many case labels? Two case labels. Next I'm going to enter capital E and small e. And capital E, small e is also going to be two things. Here, whatever the case label is there, as far as the string labels, if you take it, there is a chance of taking two case labels. Means to do one operation, You can give it two case labels. Are you able to understand? How can I give two case labels? If I want to give two case labels for one operation, those multiple case labels, very, very important. Those multiple case labels must be connected by using what? What operator? Come on. Correct. Correct. Say. Or. That is the wrong answer. That is the wrong answer. You will use what? Bitwise OR operator you will use. Bitwise OR operator we use. This is called what? True and false connector. And this is called what? Value connector it is. So multiple case labels for one operation to be combined with what? Bitwise OR operator. What is the use of bitwise operator? If anybody asks, first you need to tell the truth table. Bitwise OR operator is used for what purpose? Next level. What for you will use? What is the real-time scenario of bitwise OR operator? Hmm? Why should I explain these topics for you? If you don't read, why should I explain? Students, explain or not explain? Why we use it? One more I said, set union. Union operation we use it. We use this for what? Union operation. Explained or not? Union operation. And today we are using what? To combine two or more case labels for one operation, I will use what? Bitwise OR operator. If simply one person is asking what is the use of bitwise OR operator, these many things you need to tell. Normal example, union example, match case example. In further, I will tell you so many use cases. So many use cases. Are you following? So coming to the point of it, these many number of see students, if you learn anything, remember it. Otherwise, what is the use of myself is telling, and if you are going on forgetting, then how do you survive? You tell me. Listening with one eye, 1 year, and forgetting with 1 year. How can you? Where are you storing that? Where are you storing that? This is your brain. This is your brain. Flow is coming from faculty, and you store it. And you are opening your brain also to go out. Water is coming from up and going down. When you will hold it? When do you survive? How do you survive? Try to understand, students. Okay, now at least realize and do that. Today, one person came. Today, I interviewed one faculty. I interviewed one faculty. He is having 18 years of experience in teaching. 18 years of experience. He came at 1:30 and I was there. I took an interview for them. Is want to come with for data science. You want to come for data science. I took an interview. So I asked a question. What is the difference between data science, AI, ML, and DL? Data science, full forms, artificial intelligence, ML, and DL, and how they are related to each other. How they are related to each other. How they are related to each other. So, when we are taking the faculty for that, they should have the clarity on subject or not. So, now, what is the difference between DS and AI, ML, and DL? How they are related to all of them? Correct? So, he said he thought of so much of time, 5 minutes. He's saying, wait, 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 wait. He said three times, wait, wait. I'm sitting here only now. I'm waiting only. I said. So next, he said, I'm unable to recapitulate. I'm unable to get in my mind. He said, 18 years experience necessary to recapitulate? No. With one simple sentences, people can understand very easily. Okay, let it be. Then I asked one small application. What is that application? I'm taking my car return. I'm taking my car return. Return means reverse. As on today, when you take any car, when you buy the car 2023 model, etc., you'll have sensors, na? Back object, which is available, is giving some sound first of all. When my car is reaching to that object, some sound will come. Some sound will come. Depends on the sound of the car manufacturing company. Some sound with some gap, another sound, some gap, some another account. So when it go to very close to the object, a big sound will come. Are you following? So what is the concept behind that? I asked. What is the concept behind that? How that sensor contains a Python scripting? Did you understand that? When it is going back, there is a camera, a sensor, which is taking the image of that object and measuring the distance. If the distance is very close, already they took some ample of distance. If the distance is less than that ample of distance, the sound will play. The sound will play. So what is the concept behind that? I asked. Also, no. So I asked around, okay, that is data science related questions I asked. Finally, I asked a question, what define artificial intelligence? Definition also, no. Define machine learning. Definition of machine learning. No. Then finally, okay, that you keep it aside. Python, come to Python round. So that car image taking reverse, it is called what? OpenCV. OpenCV is a module name. With that, people can develop it. Now I asked one more question. How do you convert voice into text into voice? Text into voice. Text into voice. Male voice, female voice. Speed and slow. Are you following? How do you do that? Which module you will use? There is a module called GTTS, Google Text Transformation to Speech. GTTS. GTTS. Even in the class, I will show you that. So, how to do that? No. When you go to HDFC, when you take the withdraw money, what is coming? Please take your cash. Please take your cash. Take your cash. Collect your card. Message is coming. How that is implementation done? Are you following that? When you go to Google Assistant, Siri, Apple phone, there's Alexa. These are all called what? AI implementations. In coming days, driverless cars will come because the roads are not good in India. That's why when it is stuck up, and who will lift that? That's the problem. Because you don't know driving, I don't know driving. When you sit inside, that is only driving. How it is possible? Correct or not? So, okay, students, anyhow, so try to 18 years of experience. Experience will not come into count when you try to sleep in the home. When you continuously explain the subject or when you continuously work for 2 to 3 years, it is more than enough. Correct now? And being 18 years person, how you need to be? Just asking question, immediately answer should come. For that answer, he has to explain almost 1 hour explanation he has to give. What is the difference between DS, ML, etc.? Almost 1 hour explanation he need to give. That is also less. That much experience he is quoting in that. And resume is also almost 10 pages. 10 pages. So, but answers, no. So finally, he said, I did not prepare. He said, preparation is required? No, not necessary. Anyhow, students, see, even though 18 years is coming, they are appearing for interview. So how you need to go to an interview? When an interviewer is doing an interview for 18 years employee, the other person should get a fear first. Interviewer will get a fear first. 18 years experienced person is coming means you will just play. Correct or not? So how you can play with others when you have good subject? Not reading, Just coming to the classes, sitting in front of me will not work out. When you come to the class, should come with preparation. That is whatever all these things I said, these are all related to you only. Prepare well. This is my advice. Come on to the point. Enter your choice. What I'm entering? Either capital R or small r. Online students, are you listening? What I'm saying? The sleeping up. Are you listening what I'm saying? Are you understanding? So the entire message is what? This entire message is we need to prepare well and we need to be ready to answer any sort of questions like that. Now, let us coming to the point back. Now I'm going to say enter your choice. Capital R and small r. How can you connect both of them by using bitwise OR operator? Important. Okay. Now I'm going to write it. Syntax. Syntax I'm going to write it. Can I make a syntax? How can you write a code here? How can I write a code here? Skeleton code I am writing. What is your code? Enter your choice. Skeleton code I am writing. Int of input of enter your choice. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. See guys, CH value can be what? Either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, correct? Now I'm entering match. Match is what? Match of, so what is this? CH. Match of CH indentation. Match of CH. Like what here? If of what here? Test condition. Right or not? This is also one kind of what? Test condition. If test condition. What I will write? If I will write 2, I will write it. If 2, what is the answer? If 2, what is the answer? Can I ask one question? Look at students. If 2, if 2, I'm saying print good, print good, else, print of what? Print of what? Bad. What is your answer? What is your answer? Madhu Babalu. Huh? మీరు నాకు చాలా I feel that I don't know how it is coming out. How can I say? 2 is called what? Non-zero. My sir said that 2 is a non-zero. Non-zero is called what? True. Non-zero is called true. 0 is called what? False. What is this 2 called? True. What is the answer? Good. And it will come out. You press enter key. Here the answer is good. If I ask this question in interview point of view, what is your answer? My sir said that test condition 2 is not, he did not teach. You should not get it. Already I taught that if 2 means non-zero. Non-zero means what? True. True means what? Execute this one. Execute if 2 minus 2, if 2 minus 2, if 2 minus 2, like this, like this. What is the answer? Bad. Why bad? 2 minus 2 is what? 0. So answer is bad. Are you following? If such type of, these are all intelligent questions. If you practice well, na, these are all simple. These are all simple. So go to the place. Here I am writing. We should reach to high-end students. Suppose if you learn intermediate mathematics, only IPE passing is not enough. IPE passing is not enough. We have to go to what? Mains, IIT, like that we have to go for it. So to go to IIT and all, what we should do? Daily we need to read the class and we should concentrate on the board without disturbing the friends. All these things we need to do it. Are we following? So match CH. My intention of telling is if I'm writing here, if is called what? Keyword. Test condition. Now I'm writing some block of statements. Else I'm writing some more block of statements. In if place, what is there today? But we cannot say match is a keyword in this today, in this version, because still the documentation is preparing. Very soon, match will be made as keyword. Are you following me? So match, I will write indentation case. Case is also what? one keyword, upcoming keyword it is. Don't say that it is a keyword. But if it is not keyword, how can I my PVM is recognizing correct or not? If it is not a keyword, it is treated as what? Variable name. If it is not a variable, if it is a variable name, I did not declare any variable about case. So definitely it is called what? Keyword. So case, I need to write case label 1. Case is a keyword, match is a keyword. And don't ask me, sir, where is that in keyword list? It is not there now. Like that, you don't tell. In upcoming places, that will be added as a keyword. Two more things are pending to add. That will become 37 keywords. It will become. Now it is only 35 keywords are there. And further, I hope you are following me. Match of what expression? There is a choice expression. Case 1. If it is a case 1, what I will write it? I will write code for what? Hmm. Code for what? Addition. Code for what? Addition. Code for addition. Are you following? Next. One more thing. Case 2. Case 2. See, case 2. What is that now? Code for what? Code for what? Subtraction. Code for subtraction. Code for subtraction. Next, I'm going to take it what? Case 3. What is this now? Code for what? Multiplication. Code for multiplication. Now I'm going for what? Case 4. What is this now? Code for what? Division. And I'll write the code for what also? Code for what? Floor division also. Division also. Next, I'm writing what? Case 5. Case 5 I'm going to take. And what is this now? Code for what? Modulo division. Modulo division I will take it. Next I'm writing what now? Case. Case 6. Code for what I will write it? Exponentiation. Code for exponentiation. Right? Code for exponentiation. Now I'll write code for what? 7. I'll write exit code. I will write it. Exit code means to come out of the program. Are you able to follow? After that, I will write what? Following parallel to match, you see carefully other statements in the program. See students, parallel to match, I am writing what statements? Other statements I am writing. Other statements I am writing. Other statements in the program. Are you following me? Now, how this is executing? Let us understand the skeleton code. You are entering the choice that is present in where? CH. Match CH. Match CH. If the CH value you entered is what? 1. PVM will compare with the first case label value. What is the case label value you mentioned? 1. What is the user entered? 1 and 1 is what? Equal. It will execute what? Addition code. It will come and execute what now? Other statements in the program. Understand? Now I'm entering the case. Chase expression is what? 2. 2. 2. Match of what? 2. Is it matching with the first case? Go to the next case. Is it matching with the second case? Yes, execute what? Subtraction code. Go to where now? Execute other programs. Next is called what? Case 3. Case 3. Straightforward, go to where 3 and execute and come here. Are you following me? If I enter any one of it, that particular code will execute. Now I am entering. See students, match, case are the two things you got it. These are all called what? Case labels. Now students, enter your choice. I am entering 44. Is it 44 matching up? So this 44 is not matching with any one of the specified case labels. That is, first of all, it is called invalid case label or not. If you go to telecalling, Act FiberNet, for example, you take it. When you are going to call, they are calling, customer care people are calling. Press 1 for billing, press 2 for this one, press 3 for that, press 1 for English, press 2 for something, press 9 for main menu. Something they are saying or not? What is that? Is called menu driven application. Are you following? So if you press something like unknown thing, if you press it, what is that? Your selection of operation is wrong. If your choice is wrong, it is going to enter into where? Here I am writing one new one today. That is a case underscore I am writing. Case underscore. It is known as what? Default case block we can call. Which block? Default case block I am writing. Default message. Default message I am writing. What is the default message I am saying, students? Message is nothing but say that message as what? What should I say? Your selection of operation is what? Wrong. Selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Are you following? Selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Did you understand? When I am entering 44, 44 is not matching with any one of the code. 44 is not matching with any one of this. What should I do now? That time it is going to where? Default case block will execute. Who will execute? PVM will execute a default case block and it is going to print what message? So when the default case block will execute? When the choice is not matching with any one of the specified case labels, that time it will execute what? Default case block. Writing default case block is mandatory or optional? Optional. I may write it, I may not write it, but recommended to write. You are recommended to write what? Default case block. For mentioning recommended message to the end user. You entered wrong, you entered properly. That's called correct message you are giving or not. So writing default case block is optional. I may write it, I may not write it, but it is recommended to write which block? Default case block. Getting or not? So finally, what is my conclusion? Default case block syntax is what? Case underscore is known as what? Default case block. In the place of underscore, we are mentioning the value or not? These are the specific case labels. Default case block will execute when? When all the specified case labels are not matching. Default case block will execute. Are you able to understand? And where to write this default case block? Default case block to be written always at the end of what? Specific case labels. You should not write the default case block in the beginning. You should not write the default case block in the middle. It has to be written always at where? End of the default case block. Are you able to follow? So, coming to the point back, I hope you understood that. Default case block importance, default case block placement to write, everything you understood. Are you following me? Now I will write the code for it. Let us go to the this also skeleton code you write it. What is the skeleton code? What is the skeleton code? Tell me fast. I will take enter your choice. Under this, I will take up enter your choice. I am taking now. It is a string related. Enter your choice. The choice I am taking. What I am doing now? Match CH. Match CH. Rectangle. What is this now? Come on. Case R. Case R. I'll write which code? Code for what? Rectangle area. Next I'm writing what here? Case C. Case C. I'm writing. What I'm writing now? Code for circle. Code for circle. Next I'm writing what? Yes. Yes, I'm writing. What is this now? Code for square. Code for square. Now I'm writing what? What is this now? T. I'm writing T. What is this now? Code for what? Come on. Huh? Triangle. Triangle. Now I wrote it. Next I'm writing case. What is this now? E. Code for what next? Exit. Code for exit I'm writing. Code for exit. Okay. Now I'll write for your underscore. What is this now? Default case block. For what? Is it mandatory to write or optional to write? But I always tell to you, recommend to write. Recommend means advising to write it. It is not compulsory to write, optional, but I am advising to write it. Are you following? Now, here, code for rectangle means don't keep a compulsory. They need to enter capital R because end user don't know whether caps lock on or not. They may enter small r also. That time, generally student will expect like this. They will expect like this, but you should not write R. You have to go for what? Bitwise R operator. Now I need to write like this. Now I need to write like this. Are you following? You can write in single quote also here. You can write double quotes also, no problem. You can write like this also, students. Triple double quotes you need to write. small s, you can write triple double quotes end. Like this also you can write it. Or operator, I can write triple single quote. T I can write it. Triple single quotes end. Now I am writing there. And now I am writing there. Single quotes here. E I can write it. Are you able to follow? This is about the concept of what? Multiple case labels, how to write it. The main intention of this entire thing is multiple case blocks, how to write it. Online students, is it clear for you how to write this code and other statements in the program? As usual, we can write. All the students in online must respond to you whether you understood or not. Now I'm going to show you one small example. And before that example, I want to go for that match case example part I want to show you. Come on to the point of it. Now I'm going to give you some small example. Match case statement is one of the conditional statement available from Python 3.10 version onwards. The purpose of match case statement is that to deal with the pre-designed conditions or menu-driven application. Menu-driven applications contains pre-designed conditions. Example, syntax, easy. Under that, I'm writing by 2 times. So here, come on to the point back. Case, match, choice expression. Case, case choice label 1. Block of statements 1. Case label 2. Block of statements 2. Label 3. Block of statement. Label n. Block of statement. Case underscore called what? Default case block. Default. Default block of statement. To be written always at where? Ending. Not in the middle or beginning. Other statements in the program. See students. And here starts. What is this now? Here, match and case are the keywords. In the bracket, I wrote proposed. Means not yet, not yet. Some of the people don't understand what is proposed. They don't understand the meaning of proposed. You have to tell to interviewer, because don't think that all the interviewer knows about everything. So if they say that what is the meaning of this entire thing, if they say, you have to tell, we are writing if. We are writing test condition or not, like this. And we are writing if is present in where? Keywords list. Correct? Now today we are writing what here? Match. Match of what? CH. This is in the place of if. What is there? When my Python is recognizing match, by recognizing like if, match is also one of the keyword only now. Already PVM knows match, but they did not put it in where? Keyword list they did not update. They have to update by this time. But why they did not update? We are going to say proposed. Understand this? How to present in the interview, that is an important. Suppose if it is not there, it will give you an error. So you have to say as it is. Now, choice expression represents either int or str or bool. Next, if choice expression is matching with the case label 1, then PVM execute block of statements 1 and later execute other statements in the program. If choice expression is matching with the case label 2, and then PVM execute case label 2, block of statements 2 and later executes other statements in the program. In general, choice expression is trying to match with any one of the case label 1 or case label 2, case label n, then PVM executes the corresponding block of statements and later executes other statements in the program. Are you able to follow? If choice expression is not matching with any one of the specified case labels, then PVM executes default block of statements which are written under default case block. What is its name? Case underscore. And later executes other statements in the program. Writing default case block is optional. And if we write, then it must be written at last. Otherwise, we'll get what? Syntax error. Placement of writing also. When we write multiple case labels under one case, then those case labels must be combined with bitwise OR operator. This is a very, very important. So here I said some examples. I said, and this is also some example. 3 case studies are there. One of the case study, 2 of the case studies I'll do. Other one you can do it. Okay, now shall we do it now? So, this you will do. I hope so. This is an easy. This is an easy, and I will start here. This one I will start. Shall I start now? Open the notes. Online students, is my concept is clear? Is this concept is clear, everybody? Now I'm going to the, I'll go to the example part. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement the following, which will implement the following menu driven application, which will implement the following menu driven application, which will implement the following menu driven application, which will implement the following menu driven application. This part you see, and you don't try to write it, which is my time waste. You write only in the bracket temperature conversion calculator. Next line you write temperature conversion calculator. Temperature conversion calculator. I will upload the same problem as it is. You try to download. Don't write again. Temperature conversion calculator. You download as it is. Okay. I will take up. I'll give you the same thing. In the problem only, I will keep this. In the problem only, I will keep it. Okay. Now I'm going to start with. Shall we start up? Now I'll go to how I will go to this place. Go to PyCharm. Go to PyCharm. Actually, you need to write that entire thing, but you already know now. I will anyhow post it in the this case study as it is. I will post it. You try to do that. So in this case, go to this place and ask one more question also to that experienced teacher. And do you know that you also know that question? Can I ask that? Okay. So you will answer everything. You will listen everything, but you will not answer. Do you know that? What is the slope of the straight line? This is called graph, right? X-axis, y-axis. X-axis and then what? Y-axis. Some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. And something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. And you will be having like this or not? Some straight line is there or not? What is this line is called? Yes. Hey, Sai, Saravanan. So y is equal to mx plus c. Good student. So online student is good student. mx plus c. mx plus c. Oh, Dheeraj, when you say the answer, I am not getting the answer. Pen is not working. So coming to this place, pen is not working now. When Dheeraj says the answer, I did not get the pen to work. Now it is working. So coming to this line here, this is the one. This is the one you are getting. This is the one getting. Y is equal to what? Mx plus c. What is m? What is c? Don't tell constant. Constant. What is m? Huh? Slope. Slope. What is the m value? As one student said, x2 minus x1 minus y, something. What is the use of that? What is the use? I'm asking, what is the use? What is the use of that? Don't tell to find something, something. How do you apply in Amazon? How do you apply in Amazon? Correct. How do you apply in Amazon? This is what you have to learn. I asked a question. Y is equal to mx plus c. The last question that I asked. What is m? What is x? What is c? And what is y? And how do you find what is the importance of this in my application development? I asked. Nothing. Like you only, y is called, x is called, c is called constant. M is called what? Something, something they said. M is slope, C is constant. Amit is saying. What is X then? I'll tell you the example. One example. Even I want to tell him, but why should I? He is an interview candidate. No? Suppose I'll tell you the real case study of it. Suppose in real estate, you are having area. You are building an area and you are constructing one apartment. And it's a real case, statistical example I am telling. To understand this data science, you need to have a lot of statistical knowledge, statistics. Intermediate statistics is enough or 10th class statistics is enough. So 2000 SFT, 2000 SFT is cost will be something or not? They designed some cost, 1000 SFT. That means one SFT is equal to they designed some rupees. Okay, now? So this is called what? Rupees. So here, what is an independent variable? What is the dependent variable? Madhubavalo, dependent variable and then independent variable. Rupees will come first, square feet area will come first. What is an independent means not depending on anything. What is that? Square feet, 2000 SFT. Then immediately what will come? How much cost? How much cost? So next 3000 SFT, how much cost? What is the dependent variable here? Huh? Rupees. What is the independent variable? So here rupees is equal to this is called M into what? Area plus what? Cost. Cost. So this is called a constant what you are feeling. This M is called what? Material cost. Material cost of whatever the material they are using to build that. It is called coefficient calculation we can call. That I can calculate by using one of the statistical model called linear regression concept is there. Using that you will calculate. This is a real-time scenario of that equations. Only writing intermediate y is equal to mx plus c, doing more examples, getting 10 by 10 and showing to parents, I'm a bodybuilder in marks. When you go to interview tomorrow, asking this question and then going to interview without job, that is not. You have to do that. These are all called very, very important. Understood? So these models in coming days, only Python is only the language which is there in front of you. That's why read well, first of all. And especially read my notes. You will do like anything. Okay, now? Right. And come to the point of it. Now, come to this area. Online students, go to this place. Now I'm going to enter into the match case example1.py. Match case example1.py. So coming to the point of it. And do you think that in data science, the kilometers of code you will write it? Maximum 4 to 5 lines you will write it. What is that? Already libraries are available. Those libraries only you will use it. So one day I will show you some small coding segment for you. You'll say, sir, Python is very difficult than data science, you will feel. In data science, algorithm presentation is important. Anyhow, come to the point. Match case, example1.py. What I need to do? I need to bring this entire case. What is this entire case? I'll bring as it is. Look at, I'll bring it. S is equal to triple double quotes I'm saying. In this, I will paste it. I'm not writing one by one. Beginning, I wrote it. The same example, I wrote it in where? If statement, beginning level, I wrote it. Beginning level. At what level? Operator level, I wrote it. And today I'm saying what? This entire thing, I wrote it in triple double quotes. Triple double quotes means what? Multi-line assignment. Now I will print it. Now I'm printing it. It's a smart idea of saying print of S. Run this once. You are getting what? See the answer now. You are getting answer like this. Of course, this line is far and this line is here. You can adjust it. Either you bring this line up or you bring that line that side. So I will go to this place. I'll try to carry out this line like this. And I'll try to take up like this. and here I will carry this. Try to run this. So you are getting perfectly these things. And if you want, and don't think that Python is not a adjustment tool, my dear students. You just should see that logic you worry about it. Adjustment, it is not a makeup kind of language. It is a business language logic you need to go for it. Now I need to take it. This part also, I'm not worrying about it. This part also, I'm not going to worry about it. So I'll remove this. So say take this entire thing. I'm not going to worry about this. I take this part. So try to run this now. This is my thing. Here I need to ask what? Enter your choice. Let's go. I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take up. Print yes. Done. Now I'm asking students, CH is equal to, what is this now? Input of, what is this now? Enter your choice. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. I'm taking that. In that, enter your choice. I'm writing in this place. Print off like that. Now, after that, what is happening? You see, this is going to be enter your choice. Now I'm saying, if I enter my choice, what will happen? If I say 4, and the 4 is entered, and the 4 is entered, below to the 4, I'll write the logic. So let's start now. So let's start the logic now. Students, carefully try to follow. Now I'm going to take up, say this after finishing that. Come on, fast. What is this now? Match of CH. Match of CH. 1 to what? F2C. I'm not writing foreign heat to Celsius, Celsius to. I hope you understood now. This example, I gave you homework for you. When operators time I did this. But if you remembered, not remembered. Okay, not given. Homework is not given. Now only we are doing for example. Try to understand. Here what is happening? What is this Fe stand? How many temperatures are there? First, let me give introduction. 3. Fahrenheit, Celsius, Kelvin. In news broadcasting, in so and so city, Fahrenheit temperature, Celsius temperature. Kelvin is also one of the temperature measurement. So, foreign heat to, what is the conversion? Foreign heat to Celsius, foreign heat to Kelvin, foreign heat to Celsius, foreign heat to Kelvin, Celsius to Fahrenheit, Celsius to Kelvin, Celsius to Fahrenheit, Celsius to Kelvin, Kelvin to Fahrenheit and Kelvin to Celsius, like this. And I'll say what? Exit. Binary to decimal, decimal to binary, that the 4 number system, 4 conversions did not. Like that. Here also. What is the formula? You need not remember the formula. What is this now? What is this now? Converting what to what? Foreign heat to what? Celsius. This is the one. Foreign heat to what? Celsius. What is your input? Right side value. F value you need to enter. So that I will get what value? Next, foreign heat to what? I'm giving the order of that. This is converted into what? Kelvin. Same to same. I will go to that logic. Online students, case 1. Case 1. What is the case 1, ma? Fahrenheit to Celsius. What is the value to take? Fahrenheit value. So I am writing F is equal to, F is equal to float of, int of, whatever you like it. Float of, come on, input of, enter, enter, value, enter the temperature value, enter the temperature value in terms of, what? F, Fahrenheit. Now I will carry the formula. What is the formula, students? What is the formula? C is equal to that formula. That's all. I'll print what? Print of what? Temperature. Temperature in where? Celsius. Temperature in Celsius, comma what? C. That's all. Here I will write what? Star. Are you following? That's all. This is called case 1. Like that, I'll go to what? Case 2. Case 2. What is the case 2? Chudandi. Foreign heat to what? Kelvin. I will carry this. I'll carry. Enter the temperature. I say here. Foreign heat. to get what? Temperature in terms of what? In terms of what? Celsius. Same. To get temperature in terms of what? Kelvin. How do you do that? Formula. What is the formula? This formula. Simply I will carry. Simply I will carry. See that. I'll say star here. Star formula. I will write it. Temperature in where? K. Temperature in Kelvin. K. Got it. So I got this K printed. Following? Difficult down? Difficult down? No. Case 3. Case 3. Third case. What is the third case? Celsius to Fahrenheit, Celsius to Kelvin. Simply, I will get it. Enter the value of what? Come on, guys. Enter the value of what? Okay. Now, let me carry this. What is this now? C. Enter the value of what? C. To get it in what? F. F. Come on. What is the formula? Bring that. F is equal to. Say, here I will get it. See that. C into mathematical notation. Right. Then print of what? Temperature in. Temperature in Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is equal to. What is this now? F. You know this now? Small childhood days example it is. Temperature conversion scale. Case number 4. Case number 4. Same to same. In terms of what? Kelvin. In terms of Kelvin. So I'll write it in terms of Kelvin. So go to the place. Here I will write it. Go to the place. Here I will get it. K is equal to this part I will take up. What is this now? Same. Temperature in where? Kelvin. K is equal to what? K. Got it. Nice. I will take up next what? Case number 5. Same to same. Fahrenheit, Celsius, everything is over. Now I'm getting into Kelvin. Are you okay? Kelvin. What is this now? K is equal to. Enter the temperature in terms of K to get in what? F. F. Formula. F is equal to. F is equal to C is equal to. Anything, no problem. That is what? What is the case number? 5 kada. 5 is what? Fahrenheit. Okay. So I hope this is a formula now. No. This is the one I need to carry. Kelvin to Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. So I need to write what? Star. Simply I will print. Print what? Temperature in terms of F is equal to. What is this now? F. Next case number 6. Case number 6 is what? Kelvin to where? Celsius. Same. Get it into. Here I am writing. Celsius in terms of C. Okay. Get it. Here I am writing. What should I do? Formula you bring it. Formula is this one. Try to paste it. Print it. Temperature in where? C. Temperature in C. Temperature in C. Got it. And this is the answer. So I hope that students, you got complete formulas. And I'll write what now? Just to see that students, this all case labels. And I'll press backspace once again. What are the backspace once again? Other statements, correct or not? Program execution, program execution completed. Program execution completed. Try to close this bracket. Try to close this bracket. Try to run this. Carefully try to follow. Are you following me? 2, 3, 4, 5. Default block I did not write. I will write it. Hold on. Students in online. See here. 1. 1. Enter the temperature in terms of what? Fahrenheit. To get it in where? Celsius. And you are measuring with thermometer, not doctor will measure, right? What is the temperature? Come on. Girls, fever, fever will come or not? Measuring the temperature. What terms? Foreign heat. 98, 98.3. That is called foreign heat. Celsius 36, 37, like that. Now I'll enter here 36. What is that 36? Temperature in terms of C. It is giving like this. Now, terms of enter the temperature in this to get in terms of this. Correct. According to our logic, it is correct. Let me enter something like this. 98 point. First of all, what? 1. 1. Now I will enter 98.3. 98.3 is called what? Foreign heat. To get it in where? Celsius. It is called what? 36.83. Are you following? Simple. If you want to get any only one 2 digit, I'll go for what? Percentage of I can use it. You know all those things now? Right, students. Now, see program execution completed. Run once again. Run once again. Choice number 2, you say. Enter the temperature in terms of F to get in Kelvin. 98, you say. Kelvin temperature is coming 309. You say next, another time you execute. Another time you execute. Choice number 3. Enter the temperature in terms of what? In terms of what, students? In C. I'll say 36. 36 point what, 3 or 36.8. What is that now? 98.24. Program execution completed. Be careful. Try to run again. Now choice number 4. 4 you enter. 4. What is that now? Something like 36.8 only. So you'll be getting 309.95. Next you run once again. Choice number what? Come on. 5. So what is the choice number? Kelvin to what? Fahrenheit. 309.5. 309.5. 309.5. You are getting what? 97.43. You say last and final one more time. What is the next term? Kelvin to C. 309.8. Oh, sorry. I'll say 6. 6. Now you say the value called what? Kelvin. 309 point what? 8. So got the result as what? 36.6. Are you following? These are all called what? Different conversion scale. Understood? If one temperature is given, other conversions can be given all at once. Right. The thing is, this is output is coming. And now I need to look for the strongness. Strongness. Look into that. Execute this program. See, students, I am entering by mistake. 309 I am entering by mistake. The end user will check the how strong is your program. If I enter 309, do you have that choice here 309? Definitely it will give you what? No case labels are matching. No case labels are matching here. 309 not matching with any one of the case labels. Simply go to where program execution is completed, you will get it. Program execution is completed, you will get it simply. So what is the meaning of that? End user will disappoint. What is this? I entered 309, program execution completed. So you should tell to the end user saying that your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Right or not? So to do that, I need to write what? Default case block is recommended to write. Today I am writing what? Case underscore. I am writing here. What is this now? Your selection of operation. Your selection of operation. Your selection of operation is wrong. Selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Try again. Try again. Are you following? Try to run, students. Now you enter. And 309 you enter. What is coming? Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Understood? Try again means I can run my code again. Correct or not? That is one way. Try again means what? I have to show the menu once again. I have to show the menu once again. For that, of course, you don't worry right now. I will say here one small logic I am applying today. You don't try to worry about it. Just I am writing simply, least bother about it. What I am writing, least bother about it. I'm just written something. Don't worry. See, I say 234. What is happening? Your selection of operation is wrong. Program execution completed. Showing again. Again showing. Are you following? Like that, you need to write it. Are you following? So once you did wrong, I want to repeat my menu. Once you enter wrong option, I want to show you once again. So expecting that you will correctly choosing. Okay now? So here I used it. All of sudden, one while loop I used it. With what? Infinite loop I used it. Right now, don't worry. So I'm going to say that eliminate this kind of while loop. So I said remove that because I did not introduce the while loop, correct? I hope you are following me. Is it difficult now? But I wrote this part here. If I try to write in the middle of it or in the beginning of it, error will come. So error will come. What is that error called? Syntax error. Syntax error. Say here, see that, try to run it here. Syntax error. Syntax error. You have to write that only in the last. Last you need to write. So here I wrote it in the last only. I hope you need to write in the last part only. Did you understand this? Online students, is it clear for all of you? Is my example is clear for everybody? Yes. Now, there is one thing called what? Exit is also there or exit. Today, I will write one exit. Case 7. Case 7. Nothing. Today I am writing. Thanks for using this program. Thanks for using this program I am writing. Just hold on. Carefully observe it. Run this. Say 7. When you say 7, 7 will execute and executing what? Other statement. What is this now? Thanks for using this program. Program execution completed. Understand? But today, when you say exit, when you say exit, it should physically terminate the program. It should not go to where? Other statements in the program. That is called exiting. Exiting means kill the process of the program. Are you following? In Python, there is a break statement is there, exit is there. Even in C language, if you know, switch case is there in C language. Do you know C language? Do you know? But when I say switch case, switch case. But when I say who knows C language, then you are remembering, oh, he's a danger guy, you will ask questions. Immediately, your mind is, no, 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 I don't know C language, you said. In switch case statement, you use write break statement compulsory at the end of every case. Why? After executing, you are coming out of the switch. But here, there is no such break statement to be used. Actually, break statement to be used inside of the loops. But here, no loop. Today, I am using one small function called what? Exit. I am using one small function called exit. Exit, break. There are two differences. Exit means completely going out. Break means what? Stopping there, again coming back, taking a break letter. Your course is continuing, exams are coming, break. And you will come back to the class from where you breaked it, you will continue from there. When you say exit, permanently you are not coming. You are going to job, completely going to job. That is called exiting. Are you following? When I say exit, this exit function belongs to one module. Python module, definition of module, beginning days, simple, simple feature. Python is simple because it provides a rich set of modules. Modules contains, hmm? Modules contains class names, data members, functions. Madhubavulu, see, go to the place. Here 4 p.m. Features of Python. Under that simple feature, under the definition of module. A module is a collection of functions, data members, class names. Actually, I said don't remember class names. You are remembering that only. Whatever I said, don't remember, you will remember that only. That is useless. Right now, it is useless. When I said don't look at, you will look at there only. What is there in that? It is a student mentality. Don't go there means you will go there. When you will go there and you will see what is there. The mentality of the students. I said don't remember class names. I said remember about what data members and functions. And you are saying first one is unnecessary thing only. Tomorrow onward, don't read, okay? Don't read, don't come to the class. And you will come to the class, huh? What? Students, come to the point back. Exit is a function belongs to what? Sys module. I will import sys module here. Import sys. Like import calendar and calendar dot month like that. Execute. Carefully observe it. Say 7. When I say 7, other statement will not execute. Did you observe the difference? When I did not write sys.exit, what will happen? Other statement also. When I say exit, there only it will be terminated physically. It will not go to other part. That is the beauty of what? Exit. Did you understand? When I run my code again, when I say the first choice, I will enter here 98.3. I got it. Foreign heat is this one. Program execution is completed. Why? There is no exit code is available. When I say this now, run this now, I say 7 here. 7. Thanks for using this program. No more other statements are printing. Do you understand that? Exit. Whenever you want to terminate your code physically, I'll go forward sys.exit. What is sys? Module. What is exit? Function. Sys means don't tell system. The students are very danger because I've seen it. Many people, what is this? System. Like that. That's why we are not getting jobs. So try to improve your vocabulary in the subject. This is called one example. Can you do other example, students? When you implement other algorithm, other things, you see this is the one. You see this is the one. Will you do this both of them? Fine. So what I do is today I'll stop my class and try to implement this. As it is, I am going to upload for you. This you try to implement. This is anyhow you implement. And the same thing I already did, a big one. And I try to do the other two things. And Monday class, I'll go for what? This is called what? Conditionals are over. Next, I need to let me open once. Wait. So I'll go to 4 p.m. in data, where it is flow control. Under that, types of flow control, conditionals will be over. After that, I need to go for what? Looping. But before going to the looping, I will discuss what STR part 2 I will discuss. Because I need to introduce a lot of new programs. STR part 1 is explained. What is the STR part 1? Indexing and slicing. Indexing syntax, slicing 5 syntaxes. Fifth syntax, there are some rules and regulations. All those things I will explain in the Monday class. Monday class, I will tell you so many functions. Then I'll go to what? Tuesday will go for looping statements. These are very, very important for you. I hope my Monday action plan is clear. Don't miss the classes. Read and come to the classes. If you don't read the subject, problems will come. Okay, students. So I'll go to what? Further into STR string part 2 I will discuss on Monday. Tuesday I will continue with what? Looping. And meantime, tomorrow you do this homework. Monday I will check the notebook. Monday I'll check the notebook. If you don't do and come, 4 walls of the room, you will sit like a chair. How chair is sitting? You imagine once and practice. In the home you practice. If you don't do homework now, tomorrow afternoon you will come to know whether you will do homework or not. And tomorrow afternoon onwards, you practice like a chair. How you sit like a chair. Imagine once, close your eyes and imagine. You imagined, boys? Imagine. Easy or difficult? Difficult. You have to do it. I need to see that everybody, I will check this notebook. You need to do it and you need to come. Okay, students. Thank you. All the best. Who is this? Uh, Faisal Beg. Sir, I want to talk some word, please. Tell me, ma, what is that? Faisal, my dear student, I want to talk some word. What is that? Message. Tell me, message. Tell me, send a message. Offline students also waiting. They are also eagerly waiting. Huh? Please give me notes. Daily I'm giving notes only. No? I'm not giving. My dear student, I'm not giving notes. Huh? Am I not giving notes for you, my dear student? Daily I'm sending the notes now. Maybe he's asking total notes, I think so. Maybe you're asking total notes. Okay, because I am not your class student. Oh, how can you? What is that Rohini section? Sir, in the case of labels are same, what will happen? I already said or not? Yes. Why? First is matching only now. I already said now. I already said. So during that explanation now, they are eating watermelon, eating snacks, jalebi, pani puri, like that. They will miss my explanation. That's why these problems will come. Correct? Everything I will explain. I will explain everything. Right. My dear student Faisal. Uh, okay, mom. Okay. Okay. You shifted to this batch, Faisal. You shifted to this batch. Okay. If you don't mind, contact to admin. Let them add to my batch. No problem. You tell them. Tell them. I shifted from so and so faculty batch to this K.V.R. sir batch. You add me to this batch so that they will add. I will send you. Or if you come to my class once, I will give you in to your mail ID. I will send you. Okay, na? Take care of that. Don't worry about it. Okay, students. Now I'll stop my class. And Monday, STR part 2. Tuesday, I'll go for what? Loops I will explain. Okay. Thank you. All the best. Very good. Students, my dear students, Shekhar, tell me, ma.
Sir, today, like you have explained about the program to
Uh,
convert to zero to zero, the digital number and all that. Yesterday program.
no, no, my dear
So if
student,
we read,
be clear about your explanation. Be clear about your explanation. I should
yeah,
not, I should,
yesterday, like you have given the program, right? Like program for accepting a digit and display the digit name. So,
okay,
there, like you have given till like 0 to 9, right? If you want like 100 or 200, that need to be print like 200, like how you can get that one?
100 and
It's like here, like we are converting 0 to 0, 1 to 1. Like that, if you want to convert to 100 to 100, like that, how we can convert that?
This doubt
Yes,
is
sir.
called converting the number into words. This is called converting the number into words. Like a
Yes, sir.
checks. In the banking, there is a concept called what? Checks. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Shekhar, are you following, my dear student?
Yes, sir.
Are you following me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm fine.
This concept, I will get it into the further classes. After the loops, I will come across. Okay, na? In the further, I will explain. In every class, I will explain these words. Suppose, for example, you are giving something like 4965. I want to print it as 4900 NINE 965. This is what is going to be called number into words. This is your doubt.
Okay, sir.
That I will explain in the further
Yeah.
classes. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Yeah. Sure.
One
Thank you,
more
sir.
is also there. 4965. If you take it, 4, FOUR, you can print. 9, you can print. Like 6, you can print. And 7, you can print one by one. Like each and every letter also, you can print. That is one example I will tell you. Words in also, I will print it. Okay, now?
Okay, sir. Yeah. Sure.
Don't worry about
Thank
it. I'll explain. I'll explain. No problem. Okay, na?
you. Okay, sir. Thank
Okay. Any more students having the doubt? Puppala Mahesh. If I take 10 tuple objects which with having 20 values in each object, then how to find the biggest value among them? It is very simple. If else operator is not possible to use it. You have to use loops. Okay, now you have to use what? Loops. Loops, you have to use it. Right. In the looping part, you can do very easily. Dheeraj, what library or module is used in vector algebra for? You will use in NumPy. In NumPy module, there is one thing called LINEALG. LINALG. It is called one of the module. It's a package name and this is a module name. There we will use linear algebra. I will explain in the NumPy programming. Okay, Dheeraj? Right. Any more doubts, my dear students? Rishabh, can you explain me life cycle example of 4 yesterday's program? Sorry to chat you, the mic not working. Uh, if else example 4, my dear student, this part you don't worry because dictionary concept I already said. You follow this one. This one you follow. This one you follow. This one already dictionary explained. If else a ternary operator explained. This part. Rishabh, this only. Your doubt only I am talking. This only dictionary concept. Read dictionary concept first. If else operator you read, then you read this program. Then you can understand. Okay, now my dear students. Right. Any more doubts, my dear students? Anybody having? Anybody is having any doubt? Right. Shivakasi. Sir, in simple example statement, I am getting not valid 0. I tried it once, applied, sir. Simple example 3. Okay, ma. What you entered? I am getting not valid for 0. Okay, run it. 0, 0. I'm getting 0. Are you following, ma? See this 0. Shivakasi. Smaranika, please share the practical you did in the command prompt. That is not necessary, ma. Simple example this is now. This is very simple thing. Smaranika, this example I am sending to you, ma. Please take care. Okay, students. Okay, ma. Smaronika. Okay. So, okay, students. Take care. All the best. I hope there are no more hand raising symbols are there. All doubts are cleared. Now I'm log out and I will share my notes to you. Thank you, students. All the best.